his voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied.
Life that doesn't suck. I'm a moving target. But if I stop moving, then I'll have to face myself. I don't wanna face myself.
Hi mga kamits, I am here now on Tai Tong Shan Road, and we are going to visit the red leaves of sweet gum woods. I have been here in Hong Kong for almost 6 years, but this is my first time to visit this famous place during autumn or winter season here in Hong Kong, to see the red leaves of sweet gum trees. So let's go! Take the West Rail Line to Long Peak Station. Take exit B2 and then take MTR bus K6. Alight at Tai Tong Shan Road and walk uphill for about 2.64 kilometers or 40 minutes to reach the Sweet Gum Woods. Just above the park is the Tai Tong Shan Car Park. Continue walking along the Tai Tong Shan Road for approximately 2 kilometers. You might see a couple of sweet gum trees along the way. But don't worry, the cluster of red leaves is farther ahead. This tree is alone, but he is lofty. Just like a human being, not because you are alone, you are weak, but you have become strength and strong. You'll know when you reach the starting point when you see a sign for the red leaves. Here we are. If you can see, the red leaves on these trees are starting. Hong Kong has a subtropical climate, and most trees in the city are evergreens. Deciduous trees, or trees that shed their leaves annually, are rare. But the sweet gum tree is one of the few that are in the city. The leaves of these trees look alike maple tree leaves and come winter the two-tone beautiful shade of red before the shade. The leaves on the sweet gum trees, sometimes mistakenly referred to as maple leaves, change color to different shades of yellow, orange, and red. And as the trees that surround them continue to stay green, this contrast of colors is truly a beautiful sight to behold. In fact, this is your only chance to experience autumn colors in Hong Kong. need to walk about 40 minutes from the stop to get to the start of the Sweet Gum Woods. It's a relatively easy walk, even if it is uphill. From the bus stop, walk up Tai Tong Road till you reach an outdoor sitting area with steps on the left. Take the steep as shortcut to Tai Lam Country Park.
Hello. So, how was your experience? Yung isa na initan, kaya yan, nagtanggal na siya ng jacket niya. As in, super mainit siya. Hindi siya hindi siya ganon, like we expected. And bagay yung ano natin. Tapos nagtakot kami. Takot sila magutom. Yan.
Sweet Gum Woods sounds like something out of a fairy tale. And it really is, because come winter, these woods in Tai Tong and Tai Lam Country Park, Hong Kong transform themselves into something truly magical and breathtaking. As always, if you like this video of mine, so please feel free to share it on the social media platform of your choice or leave a comment below. Thank you so much for tuning in with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be updated in my next vlogs. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome it. Stay tuned.